The Superman morning daily drink. We're gonna go fast. I'm not gonna explain what it all does. We'll save that for a longer video. I've got my IM8 going in. 92 essential ingredients for daily health.
Did you know that if you take a scoop of IM8 Daily Ultimate Essentials, mix it into a glass of water, take a few seconds to enjoy its fruity, refreshing taste, you'll set yourself up for all-day energy, laser-sharp focus at work, no more mid-afternoon crashes, and a balanced gut health that keeps you feeling amazing. Try IM8 for yourself and feel the difference in just 7 days.
Some of that, we got 5 grams of glutamine going in there, fantastic for gut health.
Attention fitness fans, want a secret weapon for your workouts? It's glutamine. This amazing amino acid helps repair muscles, boost your immune system, and even improve gut health. Whether you're hitting the gym or just want to feel great, glutamine has got your back. So next time you think supplements, think glutamine. Your body will thank you.
Going down the hatch, I'm not measuring, I'm just scooping. Pre-workout, got a workout coming out, Revolution Nutrition.
Why are there not more people talking about pre-workout supplements? This is the game changer you need. Imagine this. You walk into the gym feeling like a superhero. That's the power of pre-workout. Boosted energy, better focus, and enhanced endurance. Say goodbye to sluggish workouts and hello to beast mode. Fuel your fire and unleash your inner champion. Try pre-workout today and dominate your fitness goals.
I'm going to throw my pre-workout in there as well. Fantastic product. We'll put the link down in the description for you for a free product with every purchase. Redmond's electrolytes. I throw in a little bit of extra of this because I'm a sweater.
Stop feeling sluggish. Electrolytes can supercharge your workout. They keep you hydrated, boost your energy, and help muscles recover faster. No more cramping or fatigue. Just mix, sip, and feel the difference. So next time you hit the gym, don't forget your electrolytes. Your body will thank you. Stay strong, stay hydrated.
Electrolytes going down. Vitamin C, great for immunity. Revolution, it's flavored, gives it an extra little bit of a zest.
I'm sure you've heard the news. But did you know vitamin C supercharges your workouts? This little vitamin packs a punch. Boosts your immune system, cuts down on muscle soreness, and helps you recover faster. Need more energy? Vitamin C's got you. Grab an orange, pop a supplement, or sip some OJ. Keep your fitness game strong with vitamin C. Don't wait, power up today. Remember, fitness starts with the right fuel.
1 scoop of that is 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. We got that in there. Splash of apple cider vinegar, 10 million benefits. Check it out.
If you're a fitness enthusiast, you need to try apple cider vinegar. It's a game changer. Packed with benefits, it can boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and help burn fat. Just mix a tablespoon in water before meals. It's that simple. Say goodbye to stubborn pounds and hello to a fitter you. Try it today and see the magic.
That's a splash. Carnitine, Revolution Nutrition, great for fat burning.
If you want to burn fat, build muscle, and boost energy, then you need L-carnitine. Let's dive in. L-carnitine is your secret weapon for fat loss. It helps transport fatty acids into your cells' powerhouses, turning fat into fuel. Studies show it can reduce fat mass and boost muscle growth, especially when you exercise. So if you're hitting the gym hard, L-carnitine is here to maximize your results. Power up your fitness journey with L-carnitine today. Let's crush those goals.
Diet, got a show coming up. We'll talk about that later. Put that in there. And last but not least, good old Creatine Monohydrate, can't go wrong with that. Most researched nutrition supplement in the world.
Want to crush your fitness goals? Here's the secret. Creatine Monohydrate boosts your strength and power. It's like giving your muscles a turbo boost. More reps, more gains, more energy. Just mix it with water or your favorite shake. Feel the difference in your workouts. Say goodbye to fatigue, hello to beast mode. Unlock the power of creatine today. Let's get those gains.
5 grams going down. And there it is.